Afternoon court's back in session. The Honorable Allison Esser.
It's a routine in Colorado courts.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Someone convicted of a crime ordered to help foot the bill.
I will order cost of prosecution in the amount of $1,414.75.
That man killed 5 people in a highway crash.
Favor, stop right there.
But Elijah McClain's 2019 death
Stop. I have a right to stop you because you're being suspicious.
wasn't routine. A report he was masked and seemed sketchy led police to subdue him and paramedics to give him a powerful sedative. Court documents obtained by 9 News Investigates show the Colorado Attorney General's office sought court orders to force the first responders found guilty to repay the state nearly $120,000. That included $67,000 from now former police officer Randy Rodema. A judge lowered that to about $25,000 and ordered him to pay. They also want more than $52,000 to be paid jointly by former medics Peter Chikuniak and Jeremy Cooper. That request is pending.
Judges routinely award very minuscule costs in DUI cases.
Like for a blood test.
It's a chemical test. It runs less than $50.
9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson says this case is different because the AG brought in multiple expert witnesses. Witnesses paid thousands to prepare for trial and thousands more to testify.
Expert witnesses do not come cheap. And if they have to come in from out of state, you got to put them up in a hotel. You got to feed them.
Juries acquitted 2 other police officers, and they cannot be forced to pay any of these costs. In the meantime, the paramedics are pursuing appeals, and that's raised the question of whether the judge who oversaw the trials still has the jurisdiction to make a ruling on those motions. He's given prosecutors and defense attorneys several weeks to file written arguments on that question before he will decide how to proceed. In the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
The final chapter, still not written in this story. Thank you, Kevin. If you have something for 9 News Investigates, you can email investigates@9news.com.